Hey, welcome back YouTube. My name is Adrian and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we'll be making a dish with salmon, some garlic, some tomatoes, some cream, some parsley, did I miss anything? Maybe some lemon, and with some pasta. And we're going to put that all together and make a very delicious dish. At the moment, with the world all going through the same kind of issues and struggles with coronavirus, where some of the ingredients can be quite difficult to get hold of. But at the moment, as the weeks have gone by, we tend to find that it's a bit easier to get hold of some ingredients now from your supermarkets. So things like dried pasta is going to be very difficult to get hold of. But if you can get hold of freshly made pasta that's in those sealable bags, then you can use that as well. But anyways, let's go through and look at some of the ingredients now. Let's go through some of the ingredients. We have double cream. We won't need all of this. We probably need about anywhere between 200 to 300 ml of this. Pepper, salt, olive oil, 3 cloves of garlic, so make sure you chop that up into very tiny pieces. Lemon. We'll be using about half the lemon's juice, and also zesting some of the lemon for during the cooking process as well. We have chop up about 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Have some fresh parsley if you can. Don't forget your Parmesan cheese. Probably won't be needing all of this, to be honest. Salmon, which you'll need to season with some salt. And also season with a bit of pepper as well. Okay, and one last thing, don't forget your pasta as well. So for this, I prefer using a tagliatelle. If you prefer something else, then you can get hold of that as well. Cool. Firstly, we need to cook your salmon. Don't need to fully cook it. We're just going to sear each side for about 3 minutes, and then set that to one side. Then we're going to start making your creamy pasta sauce. Okay, so let's get that started.
So finally, to the top again. Campaign on a Tuesday.
should be enough for us. And that's it. So nice and simple, didn't take too long to do. Just make sure you time the cooking of the pasta to about the same time as your sauce is going to be ready as well. And just to add a finishing touch, sprinkle some parsley, just for the finishing touch. Okay, so thank you very much for tuning in for this week's YouTube video. Every single like and subscriber does help. I'm trying to get up to at least 1,000 subscribers, so you know, every subscriber helps. Once I'm up to that point, it does help me build and make better content in the future as well. So please stay tuned every Thursday at 5:30. See you next week. Love you all. See you. Bye bye.